Welcome to another smart helmet accessory video from the Helmet Shop. My name is Matt, and today we will be featuring the VAS V replacement shield for the Corsair X, Quantum X, Signet X, Defiant X, Region X and DTX helmet models. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure you are ordering the correct replacement shield for your helmet, show you the variety of colors and tints available, and we'll demonstrate how to properly remove and replace the VAS V shield on your helmet model. To ensure you are ordering the correct shield, first look at the back of your helmet. You should see your helmet brand and the model name, Corsair X, Quantum X, Signet X, Region X, Defiant X or DTX. Etched in the top right side of your shield, you should see the model number VAS V. Our VAS V shields are made to fit and feel like the original manufacturer's parts and are available in clear, dark smoke, and silver. Plus, we have recently added the Revo Gold and Revo Blue colors to the mirrored shield options, as well as the VAS V photochromic shield that changes from clear to smoke depending on the lighting conditions. To remove the VAS V shield from your helmet, first, lift the latch mechanism to release the shield. Lift the shield fully. Locate and press the pod release lever backward to release the side pod, letting it hold by the tether. Close the shield until the brass pin aligns with the red hole. Pull the shield away from the mechanism to remove the shield from the helmet. Repeat on the other side. To reinstall the VAS V shield, align the brass pin to the red hole. Press the shield into the mechanism. Open the shield fully to lock it in place. Put the side pod back on, upper hook first. Then snap it in place. Close the shield fully, and check to make sure the operation is correct. Remember to periodically tighten your base plate screws. Only use warm, soapy water and a microfiber cleaning cloth when caring for your shields. Tinted shields are not for riding in low light or adverse weather conditions. Contact the Helmet Shop if you have questions concerning the VAS V replacement shield. Thank you, and have a great day.